NCET examination is the National Common Entrance Test. Now this is for a 4-year integrated teacher education program, a very important examination after your class 12. So you can apply for this examination after your class 12 examination, right? So there are 190 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. There is no negative marking, and there are 4 sections under which the exam would be conducted. The first is a language proficiency, where 2 languages are asked, your main language versus Hindi or any other regional language that you opt for, and there would be 40 questions based on these languages. Then would be your domain specific subject, so you can opt for agriculture, accountancy, business studies. So whatever subjects are there in CUET UG, the same subjects are there in NCET with the same syllabus, of course. So you can prepare for your domain specific subject. Then there would be a set of questions, nearly 25 questions based on general knowledge, current affairs, quantitative and logical reasoning, and then 20 questions on teaching aptitude, specifically focusing on child pedagogy, classroom management, child development, similar to what is being asked for CTET child pedagogy. So the complete preparation for NCET is available on Doorstep Tutor, the link below. Now who can apply? As we said, 10+2 students are eligible to apply. There is no upper limit, and the students must have a minimum marks of 60% if they are in unreserved category, and then there is the changes in the qualification for other categories. But once you qualify the NCET examination, you get admission for the integrated education program at central universities, state universities, IITs, NITs and regional institutions. This would include a comprehensive 4-year teachers training program and can help you with careers in education. Also with this you can go for dual major degree, where you can specialize in one subject, and this would create a holistic learning environment because you would be eligible for B.Ed as well as for a specific subject. So this would open or widen your perspectives for better job opportunities in schooling system. So one of the very important examinations, NCET. If you want any guidance or any information, more information, follow the link and the number below. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.